The first way, the principles of flow. Work in progress, or WIP, draws the attention from different projects depending on how many are being created at one time. It has been scientifically shown that multitasking between different projects reduces productivity. To promote focus on a project, it is advised to only assign a certain amount of work to be done so as to avoid any complications in the future. When working on projects, it is best to keep things as visual as possible to see and track your progress. This helps keep the developers and the company itself accountable. To the left is an example from our textbook to help give you an idea of what can be shown and how you can track your projects. Reduced batch sizes. Transferring code from version control to product environment requires several different departments to work on a variety of tasks. Work is passed from team to team by different types and means of communication. Knowledge is lost with each handoff, much like a game of telephone. Reducing the number of handoffs increases flow and value, automating portions of work and reorganizing teams. Batch sizes can affect work in progress. Large batch sizes can reduce switchover costs in time and/or money, which is desirable in some situations. Large batch sizes produce high levels of work in progress. High levels of work in progress can cause long lead times, and potentially poor quality products and flaws are found in batch sizes. Small batch sizes can reduce lead times, which can increase quality. Smaller batches means less waste if a flaw is found. If a flaw is found, less time has passed and thus wasted in correcting the flaw. Smaller batches enable faster error detection. Batches applied to software development. Smaller batches of code enable faster deployment. Traditional, larger batches of code run the risk of not compiling correctly, thus breaking the current build of the software. Smaller batches make it possible to more quickly find errors in the code and correct them. Large batches of code can take weeks to debug to find what caused the build to fail.